Okay guys, so first step is turn on this device. As you can see, there's a button right there. So once you turn on that, you gotta turn on your monitor. Just press this power button, just hold the power button until the lights turn up. As you can see, the blue light is on, then you can leave the button. So yeah, let's wait it to turn on. As you can see, it's loading. As you can see, the welcome screen is on. Okay, it's already open up. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, once this is already open, that means it has been already connected. The monitor has been connected to the device. So once this is open already, you can see. So today I'll be teaching you all how to update the latest version of the new updated file. So you can see, you go to this PC, our local DC, then you see this is the upgraded file that we'll be giving you. So the first step will be pressing this file, and then this is a zip file. Then you need to open archive, and then you need to extract all the file that been provided by us. See, there's a lot of files, so you need to press extract. So okay, extracts. Once you extract, what would I suggest is to create your own folder. So you can make a new folder here, and then you can type in what is the, maybe you can name it any name you like it. Maybe you can put software update. So you just put software update, then make a new file. Okay, so you make sure your thing is saved under software update. So you extract all the file has been given. So you put into your software update, you just put okay. So okay, it's been extracted. Yeah, it's already completed. So you can just off this. Then you can see your file is down here, software update. Okay, so what you're gonna do is open this software update. You can see this is our application to update your software. So you can see, you just put on this. Okay, here, just long click, double click it. Okay, it's already open. As you can see, this is our software update page. The first step you gotta do is, before you choose any file to update, is connect. Okay, so you just press here connect. Okay, as you can see, already connect. So the first step is choosing the file. So you need to press choose the file. Okay, then you remember just now the file you have created, software update. So you just press in the updated file, software update. Okay, see there's 3 files here, the one you have extracted. So you need to update 1 file each at a time. You can't update 3, so you need to update 1 by 1. So okay, first step, you just update the first file. As you can see, 3 bin file. Just press here under here, open. Okay, open. Once you press, it wouldn't update itself. You need to press upgrade. As you can see here, upgrade. Press on the upgrade button. Okay, you need to wait the thing. Make sure you wait all the way until it complete, and then you need to restart this entire monitor. Only this monitor, not the entire device. Only this monitor you need to update. You'll see on. Hold on. So you just wait to complete. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, upgrade complete. Please reboot device, which means that you need to restart the entire thing. So you gotta do is just press here your Windows app, then you press your power button, and then restart. You just restart. Okay, so let it restart. So as you can see, the main device is not turned off or anything. You don't need to touch anything, just this monitor is still on. So let this monitor to restart. Okay, we are back on. So wait a while, let it open all the files. Okay, see this file, come on. Okay, this is when once this is already open, then you can start your update file again. So it ensures that this device has been connected to the main device. This monitor has been connected. So you just exit immediately. You can minimize this. Okay, so you go back again, same step. This PC, just repeat local DC, and then you see find back your file. See software update. Go back in. So if you can't press it, you can just open like that, and then you just go back to the second file to open the software to upgrade. Yes, already open again. So first step, remember, connect again. Make sure you connect again. So connect. Okay, once connected, you can see it's already being connected. See this status connected. Then you choose the file. Okay, again, go back to the file, the one you have extracted, software update. Just open again, and then remember the first file we have already done it, so make sure now it's the second file. So you press on the second file, just open. This is the patch 2024, and you just remember to upgrade again. Press the upgrade button. Okay, this file is quite fast. Okay, see, as you can see, status has been upgrade completed. Please reboot device. So what you can do again, the same step, Windows, power, restart again. Okay, let's wait again, let it connect to the main device. Just a few seconds. Okay, this one is on. Okay, see, this is connected, so you guys can minimize, exit this, exit immediately, minimize this, and then you go back to the same step. This PC, go to our local DC. Then you see, remember our file we have saved just now, software update. Software update. Then you go back to the second file, which is the application file. Okay, it's already on back. So what you're going to do, the same step, connect again. Make sure the status is as mentioned, status is connected. Then the last file you're going to update is the choose file again. Go back to your software update file. Open it. Then the third file, which is this one. Third one, just press open and then upgrade. Okay, this file is quite fast as well. Okay, as you can see, status upgrade completed. Please reboot device. So okay, you're gonna restart, and then that's all for this update. So every file has its own update software. We'll send you all a file to show what's the reason that this update is required. Thank you so much.